Tape script 1.1.1.
Hi, my name is Sithol. I'm in grade 7. I've got short, curly hair. I am from Kampong Saum. I am 13 years old.
Hello, my name is Dara. I'm in grade 7. I've got short hair too. I am from Phnom Penh. I am 13 years old.
Hi, my name is Bopa. I'm in grade 7 too. I am 13 years old. I live near Sithol and Dara, so we're neighbors. They're my friends.
Hi, my name is Wong. Sithol, Dara, and Bopa are my friends. I am from Cambodia. I am 2 years old. I can fly really high. I never take a shower, and I never brush my teeth because I don't have any.
Tape script 1.1.2.
I am from Phnom Penh.
I am 13 years old. I live near Sithol and Dara, so we're neighbors.
I never take a shower.
I've got short, curly hair.
Tape script 1.1.4.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Miss Mom. What's your name?
Hello, Miss Mom. My name is Bopa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Bopa. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Where are you from, Bopa?
I am from Phnom Penh.
Hi, Ms. Mom. I'm a Wong. I'm 2 years old, and I am married. Nice to meet you, too.
It's time for class. See you later.
Bye, Teacher Mom.